Well, good evening, friends. This is Rajiv. I would like to welcome to all of you. Lotus, the burning passion of achievement. Let the world test your talent. So, this is the initiative to work on different self-development skills, interpersonal skills, motivational skills, newspaper analysis, communication skills, vocab skills. So, this platform is a mixture of lot of personality development skills as well as interpersonal intercommunication skills. So friends, today I have brought some topic. It's a motivational skill one. So in between all kind of communication skill development, vocabs, newspaper analysis and different situational analysis, today I have brought some motivational things and motivational articles. So friends, I would like to discuss on one topic, motivational skills part 1. So there are different kind of things I'll be discussing. I'll look into the matter. So friends, let us get connected, like and share it. So this is going to be one life changing or game changer topic today. This is one of the most important thing, and this is not only going to motivate others, it's going to motivate us also, because today this program I have developed to motivate myself as well as my surroundings. There are a lot of friends in my circle, in my follower list, but I got few of them, those who are watching or giving some kind of comments on inspiration, but it doesn't require to me right now, because I know that people will give comment if you are doing something wrong. If you are doing something good, nobody has the courage to give comment or like it. So I don't care it. Let me work, let me satisfy my internal skill or internal enthusiasm. That's enough. If I am satisfied internally, I hope everybody will also satisfy. So friend, today there are some kind of articles, 3 to 4 motivational lines I'll be discussing. So one is that first I have update and every day or some point of intervals I will come out, because I don't have the time every day to come out. So sometimes when there is a time, so I'll have discussions and I will try to connect my friends, those who would like to have discussions with me on this platform. So friends, first I have pointed out one thing, that most of the times what happens, we are not born with a very richest family, or we are not born with huge talent or God gifted skills. We are moderate, or we born in a middle class family. We are just some average talent, like that. So most of the times we think that doesn't belong to a highly educational skills or the property, or my father is a very poor, or I don't have that much of talent as like others. There are this kind of question takes place. But one thing I would like to tell today on this first point I would like to discuss, friends, that hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Yes, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Most of the times we say that he's a very talented guy, he has huge talent, he's a powerhouse of the talent, so he can do best, and I don't have the quality, I cannot do, I cannot perform, I cannot achieve my goal, like that. This kind of feels and thinks that he's a super child, he's a god gifted child, he's having super memory power. If he goes through once, if he reads one, he can remember everything. But I am not that much of the potential, I don't have that much of capacity, so I have to go through 10 times. Okay, no problem. If a person goes through once and he remembers everything, so you go through 10 times, so now the talent or go times. So most of the times talent doesn't work unless we put the efforts. So effort is required, which will give the directions or the achievement, and that could be the talent. So most of the times we don't need to be worried. So we can focus one thing, that yes, of course, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Sometimes talent doesn't support you. Only if you say that I have good talent, I have good past records, I do have 90% percentile or like wise career track, it doesn't work. So this kind of ego or this potential is not going to work out unless you put some fuel on it, unless you add some knowledge, some experience, some information on it. So friends, hard work is the most important thing, which gives the mileage to smart work. One will work smartly when he works hardly. Hard work gives the experience and it adds the fuel to the cycle or the vehicle to move. So most of the times we don't need to be worried that I am not potential, I don't have the talent, or I belong to a poor family, my parents are poor, they are illiterate. It doesn't make sense. Hard work has 100% potential to defeat the talent. Sometimes talent also doesn't work unless without any hard work. So hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Very beautiful statement, and this is very genuine, and of course we need to work out on that. Hard work is most important. It will definitely beat the talent, and sometimes talent also fails to work unless any hard work. So friends, let's work hard, let's work, put our efforts bets. Definitely will be also called as talented, will be also called as successful like others. So well, next let's come to some other punchlines. I would like to discuss another line, another motivational thing that's most important. So right now I got to see that there are so many friends who are connected. Again, it's some people are getting disappeared. No issue. It will happen. It's like that. People nowadays they are busy, and if you are doing something good, nobody is there to give good comment or nobody is there to watch. If you are doing something wrong, there will be 100 comments will be there. So it's not a issue. Sir, I would like to motivate myself, and I think some people will get motivated, and this topic is going to be fantastic, and it's going to be workout for some people also. So this is the motivational topic 1. So first point I discussed that hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Well, let's come to the point. Never stop doing your best just because someone doesn't give you credit. Yes, this is a very big point, most important point. Most of the times what happens in college, office, or any point of time, most of the times somebody work and credit goes to somebody else. It happens. So it doesn't mean that that person is not working. So everybody has credit, everybody has the quality. Sometimes some people are ignored, sometimes that ignored potentiality will be also recognized. It's 100% sure. Never stop doing work. So most of the times demotivations and frustration comes to the people when they feel that yes, I am working hard, I am giving all kind of efforts. After giving all kind of efforts also my potential, my hard work is not utilized. Rather my effort, my work is taken as credit by some others. It happens somewhere, some time of place, even some time of we have also taken that kind of advice. It's like that, but it doesn't mean we'll stop working. Let's work honestly. If nobody is giving credit, Almighty is there, God is there, which is watching you closely every time, and God can understand who is working and who is not working. So they are going to recognize the potential one day. Definitely, maybe it may not be first month, second month, 1 year, second year, third year. Definitely one point of time will come that you will be surprised that you will get some kind of credit, you will get definitely some kind of achievement or the motivations or the award. Definitely it will come on your way. So it's the time we need to work spiritually, we need to work determinedly, we need to work sincerely. Definitely our efforts are going to give outcome, and if some point of time we are not being recognized, we should not stop working. Let's work with 100% dedication. Some point of time somewhere somebody is watching, and we'll get definitely best efforts, will get definitely credit. There is no need to cry for the credit will be there, we'll get credit. There is no issue on that point of time. Let's work, don't stop by some kind of failures, or sometimes if you are not given the credit. Let's work continuously, credit will be there, success will be there, and definitely somebody is going to potentially recognize you. And most importantly, it's you can realize, you can recognize yourself that yes, you have given the best and you have got the success. And if higher authority or somebody is not recognized, no issue. First get satisfied. If you are satisfied internally, definitely others are also going to be satisfied. First satisfy yourself, first be happy, first you think that you have defeated yourself. Every day you need to challenge yourself. Once you are surpassing your existing talent, definitely you will be highlighted and you will get the credit. So don't stop working, keep working, keep continuing. you will definitely be recognized some point of time, and you will be definitely appreciated. So this is the point. So never stop working if you don't get the credit. Let's put on working religiously. We'll definitely will be recognized, and hard work will pay off the price. So let's come to next point. Work hard, be kind, and amazing things will happen. Yes, this is I am talking. Give you the credit, and sometimes amazing things will happen, sometimes surprising things will happen, and sometimes you cannot imagine that output will come in such a way that. So work hard, don't think about the credit, be kind to others, amazing and surprising things will happen, and you will be definitely successful, and you will get surprising reward for your hard work. So hard work will beat per talent. So don't be worried for that. Work hard. If somebody is giving one attempt, you give 10 attempts, then you will get that. But don't stop working, and be kind to others. Keep on working. Surprising things are always there for us if we are on the right way, and if we are beating ourselves every day, we are challenging ourselves, then it's going to be huge. Okay, let's come to the next point, friends. Yes, this is another most important point, that if you work something a little bit every day, you end up with something massive. Yes, it's a very good point, that most of the times what happens, what we are today, it is the outcome of the past regular activity or efforts. So friends, I would like to tell you guys that if we do some things, some little bit, any kind of activity, if we start doing by 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half minutes, 1 hour per day, so this kind of little efforts on particular task, particular activity, it will move, or it will take us to in such a height that the person himself will be surprised that he has reached towering positions, such a great positions, without understanding, without realizing in the process of working. So keep on working, keep on working, keep on doing little bit works, little bit of efforts in your passion, your interest, or any kind of activity. So this little one will add to huge. There will be a massive result. So if we keep on working, if we keep on working, giving efforts, little efforts in some kind of activity, it's going to reach us to a top positions, and we'll be surprised. We will be surprised after reaching in that point, and we'll surprise how huge is it, the impact is, and the result is outstanding, and it is surprising. So just keep on working, small, slow and steady wins the race. So slowly, if you are working little bit on any kind of activity, it's going to give a huge impact, massive impact. So let's keep on doing something else. Let's give attention on some kind of activity every day. So this is going to have huge impact on our personality in our life. Let's work till the end of our life. Let us work on some kind of skills. Let us work some kind of particular activity. If somebody is a singer, let's start singing. If somebody is a dancer, start dancing. If somebody is a cricketer, start playing, start having practice. So small things, small efforts on particular skill, it's going to have a massive impact. But we need to keep on working. During this kind of work, there will be so many kind of obstacles, we need to ignore that. So friends, let's come to another point. Yes, it's a good point, that don't limit your challenges, challenge your limit. Most of the times today I was going through one speech at IIT Mumbai by Chetan Bhagat. He was telling that औकात, sometimes that limit or skill, it doesn't hurt the ego. औकात, आप खुद का औकात को क्रॉस कर जाइए. So when you are crossing your limit, when you are crossing your औकात, then you are going to be recognized and successful. So don't limit your challenges, challenge your limits, cross the challenges what it's coming. So don't suppress yourself in front of the challenges. Try to cross the challenges which is coming to your own way. So don't limit yourself, don't make yourself limited before the huge challenges. Rather give challenge to the limitations. Every day challenge yourself, every day challenge yourself, every day try to defeat the limitations or the difficulty obstacles coming on your own. If you are going to suppress, if you are going to challenge yourself and compete with yourself. Most of the times what happens, we are trying to compete with others. He is having four wheelers, he is doing that, he is doing that, I am not able to do that. So this kind of feeling is always giving us negativity. So one thing I can suggest to my friends, that we need to challenge ourselves. We need to challenge every day, compete with ourselves. So today I have learned something and we have reached in these positions, I have to move forward. So we have to analyze ourselves, that what I am today and what I have to be tomorrow and what I was yesterday. So if we are comparing with ourselves, there is no frustrations, there is no kind of devastations. It's we can change ourselves, and we need to analyze ourselves, we need to challenge ourselves. That's important. Don't limit challenges, rather challenge the limits. Well, so next point is, winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Yeah, most important thing I am talking about, the winner never quit, quitters never win. If any segment, if you would like to win in your life, keep on working. Keep on working. A winner is a dreamer. And dream is not what you see in the sleep. A dream is that which never make you sleep. It gives the direction that you need to do this, you need to do this. So we need to keep on working, and we need to stick to that point, what we are trying to do. So a winner is a dreamer who never gives up. So you have all the rights to dream, and you can be a winner, but don't give up. Don't give up. Don't quit anything. Keep on working. Keep on doing some particular assignment. I am sure you are going to be successful, and only successful persons are successful, those who never quit, those who never lose their enthusiasm unless they reach to the destinations. So winners never quit, quitter never win. So it's your turn, what you want to be. You need to choose whether you would like to be a winner, whether you would like to be a loser. It's up to you. So you need to choose, and if you would like to winner, you have to keep working. If you would like to be loser, you can quit. So it depends on your dream, inner presence, and what you like to do, what is your desire. So friends, next come to the point. Yeah, the most important point is, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Most of the times we dream lot of things. I want to do this, I want to be a banker, I would like to be a IS officer, I would like to be something, blah blah. Lot of dreams piled up, but only it remains in the dream, it remains in the thought, it never comes into the action. So the biggest success comes when you start doing something. Don't keep the thought in your mind, just put it into action. So the secret of getting ahead in life is getting started. If you would like to move ahead, put your effort and start working. If you start working, definitely you are going to get success. So success will kiss your foot if you start working. So friends, start working. If you are thinking something, yes, put it into action. Then action will take care of your thought. This is most important. Well, next point is that one was the thing that one day or day one, sometimes what happens, that one day I will be a millionaire. Sometimes we think that one day I will be a banker. Sometimes we think that one day I will be the most richest person of the world. One day. So you have to decide whether it is one day or day one. So when success starts, when you put your action into action, and that action, when you are going to start, one day or some point of time you will start, or day one you are thinking. So success will come when you put into actions from day one, not in one day. So decision is on yours, one day or day one. This is very important. When you are going to start work, day one, from day one or one day, once upon a time or some point of time, it's important. So we need to choose, in my point of view, the day one. If you are taking something, start working from the day one. It's going to take care of yourself. Well, let's come to next point. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is then not an act but an habit. Yes, I was talking earlier that what we are today, it's not that we are brought up or born by this kind of skills. We are what today, it is the action we did in past. So if I am speaking very good English, so it is not the result of today, it is the result of my past. I have worked hard. I have not born with the skills of English or speaking this kind of fluently, or this kind of motivational speech like that. I had never been a motivational speaker. I was the most frustrated person, and I was having a lot of stress. But to satisfy my own self, to motivate myself to speak better English. So I am doing this kind of things. So this is the repeated actions I have done, and this is the reactions today. So we are what we do repeatedly. So if somebody is smoking every day, so he will be a chain smoker. So it's the result what he has done. So whatever we are doing today, it is the action, it is the activity we have done in the past, and what will be tomorrow, it is the action of today. So friends, what you want to be, you can do that, and you have to start from day one, and you need to put regular action on it, and that action will give the result, and you will be what you are doing. That is what we are today, it is the action of the past. Well, next come to the point, I think this is the last one. The only difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. Ordinary, extraordinary. What is the difference between ordinary and extraordinary? The difference is that extra. Very beautiful statement, friends. I would like to tell that most of the times we feel that he is an extraordinary pious. Prafullo is the most extraordinary teacher, and X is the extraordinary teacher, and Y is the extraordinary teacher. So ordinary, extraordinary difference is nothing. Just extra efforts we put on any activity. Whatever the dreams, whatever we are doing, just we need to put some extra efforts. That extra efforts is going to give or make maximum difference. So that's going to create difference between ordinary and extraordinary. So difference between extraordinary and ordinary is that only extra efforts what we are doing. Everybody is working, but people are getting success, and those who are highly successful, they are just putting some extra efforts than us. So they are becoming the extraordinary. So friends, today this is the motivational part 1. So I'll come out with different parts with every day. So these kind of things I discussed today. So I would like to, let me repeat from 1 slide to 10th slide. So after repeating, I would like to try to interact with friends, those who are there. So first point, I decided that I told that today hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So it's understood clearly that even hard work has the potential to beat the talent. So let's work hard. Next point, I told that never stop doing something when you don't get some credit. Most of the times it happens that if you are not recognized, you lose your motivations. So friends, don't think others will reward you. I think you yourself can reward yourself if you work religiously. So keep on working, keep on working. People are there to comment you when you are doing good things. Nobody is there to appreciate you when you are doing good things, and if you are doing some bad things, then there will be huge comment. So keep on working and challenge yourself. Definitely someday your effort is going to be recognized in a tremendous way. Next point, work hard, be kind, and there will be a huge success. I was telling that work hard, be kind, try to understand, be sympathetic to others. Some point of time the result will be massive. You cannot imagine that you are in such a position and you have this kind of potential and you are getting this kind of reward. So work hard, don't wait for the reward, be kind to others. The result is massive, and you are definitely going to be awarded that you can't imagine. If you work something little bit every day, then you end up with something massive. I was talking that do some activity, some little efforts. If you are going to put on any kind of activity, you are going to be master. So you are going to be excellent on some kind of activity. Just small efforts, it's going to make huge. So keep on working, keep on putting efforts, keep on doing exercise, keep on doing yoga meditations, whatever you have the decisions or directions or the destination you want to reach, keep on working. Definitely you will reach in that point smoothly. So but every day some kind of efforts are highly required, because most of the times we feel frustrated and live on the middle. And don't limit your challenges, challenge your limit. Always don't surrender yourself before the obstacles, rather challenge the obstacle which is coming on your way, and definitely you are going to surpass it, and you are going to be matured enough to handle more difficulties. Failure will come to those who face the difficulties, and sometimes people are not having any kind of failure because they are not putting any extra efforts. Put your efforts, challenge the challenges. Definitely you will have the massive result, and you will reach in such positions even you can't imagine that you have such kind of potential. So challenge your limitations, then you will reach in a very good positions. Next, winner is the dreamer who never gives up. Winner never quits, quitters never win. So if you would like to win some point of time, just keep on working, stay tuned to that activity, definitely you are going to win. And if you are losing, definitely you are going to be a failure one, and you cannot reach to that positions. Well, next point I have already discussed. So friends, this is that secret of getting ahead is getting started. Most of the times we have lot of dreams things, and we have lot of plan, and sometimes what happens, newer resolutions in diary we write lot of things, say in this 2020 I'll do XYZ ABCD blah 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 blah, but we don't do anything else. But the people who achieve that, who start working, so the secret of success is getting ahead, getting started. So start working from day one, it's going to give huge success. Next is that one day or day one you need to decide. As we have lot of resolution, lot of plans, so sometimes we think, yes, one day I'll be a millionaire, I would be an entrepreneur one day. So you have to decide whether you will be one day, or from day one you want to work to reach that. So I hope from day one we need to work, then we'll reach to that positions. Well, next point is where what we do repeatedly. Excellence is not an act but a habit. If something we are doing habitually, if you are doing something systematically, continuously, I am sure we are going to reach to the position. So excellence is the result of continuous effort. Excellence doesn't come in one day or 2 days, it comes after a long period of time. If we repeatedly or we do continuously, then we can achieve the excellence. Next is the difference between ordinary and extraordinary person is that extra. So we can be extraordinary, we can be the successful, most successful, we can be the extraordinary persons. The difference is only extra. So that is the when we give some extra efforts on some kind of activity with strategically, so we can reach in that positions. So let's work and put some extra effort, then we are going to be successful. So friends, a lot of friends have gone through. I don't know whether they will like or they won't like, it doesn't make any sense, but I am very much happy today. I discussed a lot of good points, and it has given me motivations, and I will definitely work out what my plans are. From day one today itself I'll keep on working on that, and definitely what I am doing today, friends, I have certain desire also to reach certain positions, to achieve some kind of quality, and I need to motivate myself. I have also lot of obstructions, difficulty, some kind of challenges, limitations also. So I am going to suppress that. So I am doing this kind of things because I have certain the challenges behind me. So I am doing work, and I will be excellent motivational speaker or something else with my repeatedly work. So friends, it's a fantastic and fabulous motivational part 1. So friends, those who have gone through, I would like to request to like and give your comments, and you can share it. And if you would like to share it, I think most of the people can reach this kind of points, and I'll be happy. So friends, now I think Profulo is there. I would like to connect Profulo. Let's see if Profulo can be connected. So my friend Profulo might be happy. So friends, today the topic motivational part 1 is over. So right now I would like to have interaction with my friends, if it's possible. Anybody is there, if they can be connected, then it's going to be great. So friends, still 3 people are watching. I don't know who which guys are there. So friends, if you would like to be connected with my site Lotus the Burning Passion of Achievement, though it's not on that platform, it's on my Facebook Live. So I'm not a celebrity that I'll get thousands or lakhs of the viewers. I'll get 1 to 2, 3%. So it's not a problem for me, because everything starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 little efforts. So friends, I am doing for my internal satisfactions, and this is a unique thing where there is no controversy, nothing else. Rather, it's a wisdom where we can change thoughts. Most of the times what happens internally, if we are not having one kind of burning desire, then we cannot reach. So to enhance or bring that burning desire, we must have this kind of unique thought. Our thought process must be unique. Thinking process is that. So the point we keep on developing, the thought we keep on developing, that is turned into action. So friends, let's work on this kind of areas. So definitely we are going to be develop ourselves, and we are going to motivate others, and it's going to work huge. So this is the part 1. So I'll come out with some other topics also. So whenever I'm getting time, I'm trying to bring some kind of topics, so I'll do in my free time, friends. So let's work and let's share it and let's watch it. Let's see how it's going to have impact. Thank you, friends. And Omio is there. Let's, if I am able to add him, I'm trying some connectivity problem or some kind of issues. So friends, I would like to give my gratitude from my bottom of heart for watching my motivational, for sharing your time and just giving some time to like my thought. So friends, thank you very much. I am really grateful to all of you. Okay, sorry, I'm not connecting. Okay, well, no issue. So, Prafullo will be connected some point of time, and I'm doing this kind of activity. So let's see how it's going to have impact on others, and most importantly, it's going to have impact on myself. I'm going to change my thought process, and I'm going to challenge the limitations I'm going to face. So thank you, friends. And some people are getting connected. It's from 1 to 6. Some new people are also getting connected. So friends, thank you very much. I would like to give my thanks to everybody. Thank you, Silima, for getting connected with me. Prafullo, yes, thank you, Prafullo. Sambit Bhai was there. Thank you, Sambit, for being connected. Thank you, Soival sir, for getting connected with my platform. Satyabrata Sahu, yes, Satto. Hi, Worry, I think you were fine. Rupesh Kumar Rai, yes, Rupesh ji is there. Thank you, Rupesh, the best person who motivates, guides, and comments me also. And Bharti Parida, yes, Masi was there. Thank you, Masi. Saurabh Sukla, yeah, Saurabh, how are you, bhai? I think I miss you a lot. My best buddy in Mumbai when I started my career, Thyrocare. So the best buddy, best friend is there, so I'll connect with you sometime. Saurabh Patro, nice bro. Okay, thank you, friends, for giving your valuable comments. Pragya was there. Thank you, Pragya. Dina Krishna Mahanti, thank you. DK Abhimanyu, yes, Abhimanyu, thank you. Sunil Yadav was watching. Thank you, Sunil. Thank you very much for watching. So, yes, my seniors, Rooney, yeah. Thank you very much for watching. And Murali Parida. Yes, Murali bhai, thank you very much for watching. Sunil was there. Thank you, Sunil. Gopinath ji, thank you, Gopinath ji. Vibhuti Sahu, thank you very much. Omyo was watching. Thank you. Prafullo ji watching. Subhasri Samal. Yes, Subhasri, thank you very much for watching this platform. And Tapos Raut was also there. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Friends, and Ipsita madam was there. Madam, welcome to my motivational skill part 1. So today I discussed regarding this kind of things to motivate others and to motivate myself. So it's my privilege that I got Ipsita madam on my live session. So it's my privilege to get such a highly dignitary in my platform. So look, today I was telling that day 1. So at least I got these high profile people to my channel. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much for watching. And madam is still there. Okay, thank you, madam, for your comment. Nice. Yes, it means a lot. It gives me motivations to move ahead and to do some best activities on this platform. Thank you very much, madam, for your comment. And I'll be happy if you give me some opportunity somewhere, some point of time, so I can share some kind of thoughts, some kind of inspirational things. And Debabrata Bhai, Debu Bhai is also connected. So friends, today the session is that motivational skill 1 I did that. You can go through that complete session. So I'll come out with some other activities also. So I have started different kind of initiatives, though I am not able to come regularly, but when I am getting time, I am trying to come, and I am giving adding some value not only to yourself, but it's me. I am getting the additions from myself. That's great. So thank you, friends. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, all of you, and keep your blessings on me. I'll move on and I'll come out some other topics and other motivational parts also some point of time. So if anybody can be connected, I would like to have interactions, but I'm not able to do that because some network issues or some other things. So thank you, friends, everybody, for watching my show and giving your nice comment, and I'll come out also with some other topics. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of your family in this pandemic situations. Thank you very much, and use digital platform in educations and banking and every days of the life. Try to connect yourself through digitally and distance yourself from social gathering. Stay fine, stay tuned, and be mentally very much strong to defeat any kind of challenges which is coming. If we are surrendering mentally, then it's going to be huge difficulty for us. So mental illness is the biggest challenge for us than physical illness. So mentally we need to be strong. That's going to give us any kind of challenge, we can cross it. Thank you friends, have a good day. Thank you, have a good weekend. Tomorrow I'll also come with some kind of topic if I get the time and I get some good thoughts. Thank you friends, stay tuned.